In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off voice chat in Arc Raiders. If you're tired of random chatter or just want a quieter session, this is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it done in seconds. Start by opening the game and heading to the main menu. You can also do this from in-game if you pause. Look for the Settings option, often shown as a small gear icon or labeled Settings or Options. Select that to open the full settings menu. Don't worry about changing anything else. We're only here for one toggle, and you can exit as soon as we switch it off. At the top of the settings screen, you'll see several tabs, like Video, Controls, and Audio. Move over to the Audio tab and select it. This is where Arc Raiders groups all the sound-related options, and it's the quickest way to find the chat controls. You'll know you're in the right place when you see sliders for things like master volume, music, and effects. Now, scroll down within the Audio tab until you reach the voice chat section. Depending on your device, use your mouse wheel, the scroll bar, or your controller's D-pad or thumbstick to move down the list. In the voice chat section, look for the option labeled Enable Voice Chat. By default, this is usually turned on. Select Enable Voice Chat to turn it off. You should see the toggle switch or checkbox change state, often shifting from on to off, or the highlight disappears and the control turns gray. That's your confirmation that voice chat is now disabled. You won't need to press a separate save button. Most versions of the game apply this change instantly. You can back out of the menu right away and the setting will persist the next time you play. If you're mid-match, the change typically takes effect immediately. A few quick notes for clarity. Turning off voice chat stops in-game voice communication, which helps reduce distractions and keeps your mic silent. You can still rely on pings and visual cues to coordinate. If you ever want voice back, just return to Settings, open the Audio tab, scroll to the voice chat section, and toggle Enable Voice Chat back on. The steps are identical across platforms, though button labels or navigation might look slightly different. And that's all you need. Simple, fast, and effective. Enjoy your game with the peace and focus you prefer.